So hello everyone. So I'm going to share you an important app where you can get free internet data. So some of you have been asking me, you are sharing free apps for mining where you can get free coins and you get free money and other airdrops. And they're like, you are paying for data to access these apps for mining and participate in them in the airdrops. So today I'm going to show you a free app which you need to connect to download on your phone, and you connect on your internet, then you start surfing for free. So this app is new. It is connecting to Uganda Airtel, but in some other countries connecting to other networks, as I'm going to show you. But for now, I'm going to share for Uganda Airtel. So now what you need to do now is to simply, the app is called StarK VPN Reloaded. So you need to go to Play Store. I'm going to show the app, the icon of the app. So you need to go to Play Store. So when you go to Play Store, you search for StarK VPN. But I'm already offline, so what I need to do, I have to connect it. I have to connect it. I have to connect it so that I can get internet. So I have to connect it. It is connecting. Let me first close these ads. So it is connecting now. So as you can see, I had no data, but now I've connected it. So when you go to internet to Play Store, you have to check the icon of this. The app is this StarK VPN Reloaded. So what I need to do, quite just simple steps. Just open it. After installing it, I'm also going to share you the Play Store link to download it automatically below this video. I want to share the Play Store link. So when you open it here, it will be disconnected. For the purpose of this video, let me first disconnect it. So it will be disconnected. It will be like this. And here on top, where you are seeing Airtel Uganda Limited, there will be import settings. You will see something like import settings. So what you need to do, you need to simply tap on these three lines in the left top corner. You tap on them. So after tapping on these three lines, so you need to go to import settings. Click on import settings, where I'm marking here, import settings. So when you click on import settings, here it will require you to upload a file. To require to upload a file. So already I have a file here. I already got it for free. So some people have been selling it, and I'm going to share it for free. So I'm going to share this file in let me see. I'm going to share it in a Telegram. I'm going to share my Telegram group for free cryptos and airdrops. So we'll go and get this file for free. Some people are selling it. So we'll go and get this file for free. So after sharing this file, you have to download it in your phone. Then when you click on import settings, you have to come and tap on this file. Me, I've already uploaded it. I also have it here. So you have just come and tap on it. When you tap on it, it will automatically be uploaded on the app. So that's all you need to get connected to the internet. It's just this file that I'm showing you. But this one is only working for Uganda Airtel only. Uganda Airtel. Those who are using Airtel Uganda. But there are other countries which has other telecom networks which are being also connected to the internet. So after tapping it, it will automatically take you back to the what? To the app. So after taking you up to the app, you can come back here on top. After uploading your file, come back here on top here where it will be here before tapping on it will be import settings. So you need to come back and do what? And tap on it. Tap on it. When you tap on it, you will see several tweaks. These I think they are network connections. So they are giving you the other countries. There is Ghana, there is Congo, Unlimited Congo, there is Ghana or network social bundle, there is Ghana MTN bundle, 500 bundle. So there are many countries. There's Mexico, there's Nigeria. So there is a list of countries. Nigeria is the most common. There is Pakistan, there is Sudan, there is Tanzania. So you can see Tanzania, Vodacom Unlimited is there also. So I have only a file for Uganda, Airtel. But if you need to access more files, you have to join the Telegram group. I'm going to show you also. I'm going to share also the group for the Telegram group for this app. You can share, then you ask. Then there is also South Africa. You can see there is Zimbabwe. So you come here and select, like for me, I'm going to select on this Uganda Airtel Unlimited. There is also another version for Uganda MTN, but this one is for TikTok only. MTN TikTok bundle. So you just use it for TikTok only. So after tapping on that one, selecting it will be green when you select it. When you select this tweak, it will be green. What I need to do, after selecting it, I need to update to the new version. You click on update here on top. We are saying error because it is disconnected. Mine is disconnected. That's why you are saying error. It is disconnected. So I need to first connect it. So after selecting it from there, you come and tap on this to connect it. So they are bringing some funny ads. You need to accept this. So you need to close these ads. I don't have how I can. Okay. They bring some funny ads. I have to close it from here. So you connect it from here and disconnect it. This is the button for connecting and disconnecting. Just tap here in the middle. Disconnect it and connect it from there. So if you connect it, you are automatically connected to the internet. So what you need also to do, you need to also keep updating the tweaks. Click on tweaks, updates. If there is any update, to update automatically. But now it is not. There is no updates available. So these are the simple steps. So first of all, you need to be connected to the internet. You need to make sure your mobile data is connected. As you can see here, you have to make sure that the mobile data is connected. So another thing, you need to make sure that you are connected to Airtel Uganda. So when you go to settings, when you go to settings, and connections, so SIM card manager. So make sure you're connected to the data should be connected to, like my SIM card too is the Airtel Uganda. So you have to make sure that you're connected to Airtel Uganda. As you can see here, SIM card 2 is Airtel Ug. So you have to make sure you're connected to Airtel Ug. Another thing, make sure that your data connection is on. So that's all. Then you connect and you surf for free internet. It's free internet. It is speedy. If I check my data, I don't have any data on this line. I don't have any running data. I don't have any data bundle. Sorry. Check data by dialing that one. I don't have any data bundle. You don't have any data, running data. But I can surf. You check. There's this popular video app, TikTok. Without that, I cannot connect to TikTok. Check now. You check. I can connect to TikTok. I think you can't connect to TikTok without data. I think I can surf everything. I can go to even WhatsApp and I send a message. for if you want a proof. Go to WhatsApp, you go to the free airdrops apps, and I send a message. Hello family. Have you heard about unlimited Airtel Ug internet? I think the message has gone. Don't have data. I'm using this app. So I'm going to share the file in my group, but actually it should be Telegram group. This is a Telegram group for the app. I'm also going to share the link for this so that you can see. So you will be getting updates from here. So this is for Congo, MTN, connected. So ours was yesterday. They just updated it yesterday. Airtel Uganda Limited and Unlimited now. So I don't have a guarantee when the internet is going to work for how long. I don't have a guarantee. But for now, use this opportunity. This opportunity is free. You can come and ask in the comment section. Click on the comments and ask. You see people what are commenting. See very many people are commenting. The Botswana they also need. MTN Unlimited Nigeria, please, they need. So you see people are commenting. So I'm going to share the file for UG in my free. I'm going to share the app. It is free airdrops and cryptos. People just need to join this Telegram group. I'm going to be sharing apps for mining where you can get free money from cryptos. Even Forex trading updates I'm going to be posting here. So it is time we just get these free monies. Free monies. Okay, that's what all I wanted to share to you. So wait for another hot video.